Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem size of binary tree. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given a binary tree. Okay, so basically a binary tree has the root. Okay, so it has a root, then it would have left nodes, then right nodes, right? So basically if I need to find the size of this binary tree, so basically root node would be 1 plus the nodes on the left side plus the nodes on the right side. Okay, so this is how I can solve the question. Root is only one value, so that can be considered 1. Then find the size of the nodes on the left side, find the size of the nodes on the right side, add them, and then you get the size of the entire binary tree. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Then you need to find the problem size of binary tree. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve it. Here is the question. Let's read the question. Given a binary tree of size n, you have to count number of nodes in it. For example, count of nodes in the below tree is 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding the solution over here. Okay, so let's start. First I need to check if there is a root node or not. Okay, so that is the first condition to check. Okay, initially the count is 0. Okay, then I need to check if the root node is present or not. Okay, node is none. If it is not present, then what? Then you can just return with 0, right? Else what do I need to do? I need to calculate. Return 1. 1 is for the root. Okay, then integer value of what? You need to get the size from the left side, right? So that is get size, that is the function above, get size, circular brackets, node dot left. Okay, now this is for the left side. Now I need to do for the right side. In circular brackets, get size, circular bracket, node dot right. Okay, now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Let's see. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem size of binary tree. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys liked it. If you guys have liked the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.